Hey, I'm Stu. I'm the co-founder of Type. It's an AI writing product that helps you write and edit faster. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write personalized outreach messages. This video is for anybody in sales or any sort of role where you're doing a lot of cold outbound. Let's jump in and I'll show you how to do this. Here I have a company I want to reach out to. I found the LinkedIn profile of the CEO and I'm going to get to work drafting up a cold email. In Type, I'm just going to open up an empty document and I'll tap generate draft to write my draft. And I'm going to tell Type what I'm writing. A cold email to Ali at Chorus, asking her if she'd like to try Type. But before I have the AI write a first draft, I wanted to know as much as possible about who I'm reaching out to and about what I'm selling. So here I'll paste in the URL to Chorus, the company's website. I'm going to screenshot the profile of the CEO here. LinkedIn is not great about scraping. Reid Hoffman, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Let me drag and drop this into our source material. And I'm just gonna add the link to Type's website so it learns about us. And what I could do is have Type generate kind of a generic email based on that information. Let's see what we get here. And what I have here is just way too long. In fact, I have a template that's worked very well in the past. So what I'm gonna do here is just regenerate the draft, but this time I'm gonna utilize a style example. Here, that'll just be a cold email I've sent that's worked in the past. I know it works. Now let's generate it and see what we get. You'll notice this is way closer to the style and voice that I'm after and the length. So I'd say this email is maybe 75% of the way there. I'm just gonna go in and tweak a few words that I don't love. You know, innovative approach, game changing. It's the classic AI stuff. I'll probably temper that down a little bit. Maybe here I'll say is very smart, or I'm impressed by your approach. And when I'm done, I might do something like have Type generate a few subject line ideas. And I'll just say, give me a few subject line ideas. Keep them short and simple. I might just put my own little spin on it and say faster blog writing with Type. And then I can copy and paste this into whatever I use for email and hit send. But sometimes you already know what the first draft should look like. You just want to jot it down yourself. And the most useful thing AI can do is edit it and make it much better before you hit send. Here I have an email I wrote myself. It just feels like it's a little bit too long. And if you know anything about cold outreach, the shorter, the better. What I'm gonna do now is highlight my email, tap this AI button, hit shorten, and Type, instead of just rewriting my entire thing, is actually gonna show me specific suggestions I can accept or reject. This way I'll keep my voice and the details that I want to include. Let's take a look at a few of these. I saw is shorter than what I had came across originally, so I'm gonna accept. YC's directory is simpler than the YC directory, that's great. I don't need to say really, accept. And there's keyboard shortcuts. I can hit A or R to accept or reject and really kind of blaze through this. Here I actually like founder myself, which is what I had originally. I'm gonna reject, accept, and I can just blaze through these, quickly reviewing them. And by the end of it, I have an email that's maybe 2/3 the length. I suspect I could get it even shorter. I can really drill into individual paragraphs and keep kind of whittling away. It's actually not bad. And now I'm approaching about half the length of my original message. And seriously, if you cut your length by half, you can like double your actual conversion rate. So this can be a very valuable practice and one that you can do without stripping out your voice and the details that you want to include. But of course, not everyone responds on the first email, so I'm gonna have Type write a follow-up email or two by hitting / to summon some AI writing commands. I'll use this first one, generate content, and just tell Type a short follow-up email in case Ali doesn't reply. And that's pretty much it. Type can help speed up these more tedious aspects of drafting something personalized or whittling away at it and editing it until it's about what you want. But the best way to see if this works with your kind of writing and outreach workflow is definitely just to try it for yourself. You can try anything in this video. If you go to type.ai, you can give it a try for free. And once you've given it a try, we'd love to know what you think. Say hi in the YouTube comments. You can reply to any of the onboarding emails. So good luck and happy writing.